Magna 303 Gold. This demonstration will prove the strength and versatility of Magna 303 Gold. Apply Magna 303 Gold by holding the electrode firmly on the base metal. Don't weave or try to hold a gap. This electrode would definitely not stick. It virtually does the job itself. Don't hurry, travel slowly, and let the weld deposit distribute itself on the file. Isn't that the best electrode you've ever used? It flows like honey. A smooth, even transfer, no spatter. Press firmly onto the base metal. Magna 303 Gold definitely won't stick. Work slowly and you'll get perfect results every time. Then we use exactly the same technique to weld the mild steel flat alongside the file. Compare the weld deposit on the mild steel with the weld on the high carbon steel file. There is no difference. Magna 303 Gold performs identically on all steels. Remove slag is no problem. Watch this. You would never get slag off a weld so easily using any other rod, and just look at the beautiful weld. There's no cracking, not even in the fillet. No spatter, no undercutting. Look in the fine serrations of the file. We have perfectly welded a high carbon content file to a piece of cold rolled steel, and you will get faultless results like this every time because there is positively no carbon pickup with Magna 303 Gold. The weld deposit is just as machinable on the high carbon as on the mild steel. In machine shop work, often it's necessary to machine welds. Ordinary production rods, like what you have to use before, could never be depended on to provide machinability. You know how an unmachinable weld can cause downtime. Now we'll show you the excellent machinability of Magna 303 Gold. See how easily we grind the weld deposits of Magna 303 Gold? It doesn't make pinholes even on sulfur-free machining steel. Now you can chuck this in a lathe and machine it if you like, and it will machine like free machining steel. Magna 303 Gold completely solves your machinability problems. We'll prove the superior strength of Magna 303 Gold by hammering the welded file. See how the weld has strongly held even though the file itself has broken under the punishment? See, it's incredible. The superior tensile strength plus the unrivaled elongation of Magna 303 Gold allows you to do the impossible. Quite often in maintenance you come up against jobs that are awkward and hard to get at. But when you use Magna 303 Gold, you can be sure a weld won't fail, even on limited contact areas. You can use a small deposit and the weld will hold and heat distortion is eliminated. With Magna 303 Gold you gain in every way. Saves you money and time, plus the guarantee of a perfect weld that won't fail.